Today we're comparing food from Costco, IKEA and FOOD-TICS. Sweden versus America.
Obviously, you can buy good furniture and bookshelves, but also affordable food. I wonder if even the Indians find this cheap. Please comment if you do, Indian.
I'm going in. Tastes like hot dogs. Well, not much to say about it. Tastes like quite cheap hot dogs.
Pizza, 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 let's have some pizza.
Quite bland. And it's damn cheap. It's very cheap pizza. Maybe you shouldn't expect that much, but I mean, I wouldn't eat it every day. But for the price, I could recommend it. Yeah, I can recommend this every day.
Could this be the American pride? A lot of cheap food.
Let's start with the Costco sausage. It's huge, look at the size compared to the one in IKEA. Tasty, quite salty, but tastier than the one on IKEA. I gotta say, Costco, better sausage. This is a big difference. Pizza here in IKEA, this tastes like a real pizza. Like when I went to New York, really. You gotta try this pizza, man. This is quality. So much cheese, the tomato sauce. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy good. I mean, yeah. Okay, so the taste is good. It doesn't taste that much vanilla like on IKEA. Otherwise, you know, ice cream tastes good. How wrong can it be, man? Vanilla. Now let's go to FOOD-TICS. They almost have everything for the house. Maybe you want to fix your garden, for the kitchen, for the children, anything and everything for the camping, for your boat. This was the second best pizza. Best one had Costco, and the third one was IKEA. Okay. Okay, I can say this. Best ice cream has IKEA. Second one is here, and the third one was at Costco. But IKEA had a lot of vanilla flavor. Yeah, but I mean, ice cream is always good. Okay guys, let me summarize. Ice cream was best at IKEA. The pizza were best at Costco. And the sausage, the chicken sausage was best at FOOD-TICS. And with that said, thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace. Wait. And don't forget, like, subscribe.